Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed trinity reforms in the field of labour, education and agriculture and asserted that India undertook structural reforms amidst a global pandemic to usher in revolutionary changes in the country. Addressing the Invest India conference in Canada through video conferencing yesterday, Modi said the reforms introduced by the government have resulted in substantial improvement in country's ranking in terms of ease of doing business. Highlighting the key markers of huge surge in FDI in the country during 2019, he said the country has decriminalized many provisions in the Companies Act. Underlining the change in mindset and perception of everyone regarding the country, he said India has all the necessary vitals which make it a lucrative investment destination. With an aim to reach out to about 1,700 families, including about 900 senior citizens, Principal Director of Health and Family Welfare Department, Dr. Vizole Z. Sokre inaugurated a massive community-driven outreach program at Lycemia Kel of Kohima village. Speaking at the launching program, Dr. Sokre mentioned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has initiated a community-based mass awareness program in India to unite in the fight against COVID-19 based on the 3 stages of wear masks, maintain social distancing, and observe hand hygiene. He exhorted the community leaders, saying that it is now up to the individuals to follow these cardinal rules to fight COVID-19, and these 3 things are part of the new norms of life. He said a season of cold and cough and also of festival has approached, and it is of utmost importance to follow hand hygiene, social distancing and mask wearing habits to control the spread of the pandemic. Chairman of Lycemia Council, Kohima Village, Setio Kellio, said that for the greater good and safety of everyone, irrespective of tribe, the council has been trying to do its best to do whatever it can and appeal the public to follow directions issued by the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Nagaland has crossed the 85,000 mark of testing suspected samples of COVID-19. Informing this in the daily COVID-19 briefing, the Principal Secretary Home said out of 84,023 results received, 6,736 are confirmed COVID-19 cases, while outcome of 1,387 samples are awaited. He said that of the confirmed cases, the distribution across various categories of people are 3,154 among armed forces or police personnel, 1,540 among returnees, 1,681 are traced contacts, and 361 cases among frontline workers. He said out of the 6,736 cases in the state, the total recoveries so far are 5,510, while 1,149 are active, while there have been 12 deaths and 54 have migrated. With 3 days left for the Naga Students Federation and Eastern Nagaland Students Federation to launch indefinite agitation demanding regularization of SSA and RMSA teachers of 2010 and 2013 batches into school education cadre, the state government has convened a chief secretary level joint meeting between the department and students' bodies today. On Wednesday, the state government, while reiterating that measures have been initiated to streamline the SSA and RMSA teachers into the state school education cadre, has asked the ABIC student bodies in the state to withdraw its proposed indefinite agitation starting October 12th. Nonetheless, NSF President Ninoto Awumi reiterated that it is unsatisfied with the government's response. He said a joint meeting has been scheduled for today at the Chief Secretary level between the government departments and students' bodies, and only after that further decision would be taken. Union Minister and Lok Jan Shakti Party LJP patron Ram Vilas Paswan passed away yesterday. Paswan, who was 74 years old and was in active politics for more than 5 decades, was hospitalized and had undergone a heart surgery due to sudden developments last Saturday. Based on specific input, Kohima police arrested a self-styled Razopio of NSCNIM on charges of extortion from Tinpati area, Kohima, on Wednesday. Altogether, 40 numbers of extortion slips belonging to NSCNIM and other incriminating items were seized from his possession, police said, adding that a case has been registered at North Police Station under relevant sections of law and further investigation is on. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.